For this problem, we're going to use the triangle angle sum theorem to find this angle measure. So since there's 180 degrees in a triangle, we will subtract the other two angle measures. And that will leave us with 93 degrees. So place your 93 in the picture. On this problem, we'll start with the similar idea. We are going to try to find the angle measure right here. So we're going to start with the 180 again. We're going to subtract the other two measures using the triangle angle sum. And we will get a degree measure of 50 degrees, which would mean that this is a 50-degree angle. Now, since it also equals the x plus 52, so x plus 52 will equal the 50 degrees as well. Both angles, or both are representing the same angle. So we will subtract 52 from both sides, and then x will equal a -2. For number 21, we are going to use the triangle angle sum once again. So we're going to be finding this angle measure first. So we start with the 180, subtract 38 and 89, and you'd be left with 53 degrees. So that means this is 53 degrees. On the other triangle, this is a vertical angle. So we can use the vertical angles theorem, and we now know that this is also 53 degrees. So to find this angle measure now, we're going to use the triangle angle sum again with both of these values. So we'll start with 180, subtract the 53 degrees, subtract the 66 degrees. And that will leave us with 61 degrees. Oops, that's a 61. And the last problem we're going to look at is number 22. Basically, we're going to do the triangle angle sum for this triangle. We're then going to do what I like to call the linear triple. And then we're going to do the triangle angle sum again in this triangle. So, to start us off, we will start with the triangle angle sum to find this angle measure right here. So 180 minus 60 minus 30 is going to leave us with 90 degrees. So this would be 90 degrees right in here. That's our 90 degrees. Then we are going to use what I like to call that linear triple, because these three angles make up that straight line right here. So I'm going to do this work up over here. So since there's 180 degrees in a straight line, I would subtract the 90 and the 52, and I would find that remaining angle, which would be 38 degrees. So I'll place that in the picture right there. There's the 38 degrees. So that is 38 degrees. And then lastly, we're going to use the triangle angle sum in this triangle, this last triangle. So we'll start with 180, subtract 38, subtract 71, and we would be left with 71 degrees. So 71 degrees would be this one, which tells us now, I mean, the problem is over, but it does tell us that we have an isosceles triangle because the base angles are congruent.